Hello, Big Red families of kindergartners and first graders. For the last month or so, your child or student has been learning at learning.com as part of the Achievement Hour. Kindergartners starting on October 19th are going to be switching over to Typing Club. Their learning.com lessons have been completed, and so October 19th we're switching to Typing Club. For first grade students, you will be switching on October 26th. Kindergarten typically has only 2 or 3 lessons per night. They're short to complete. And first graders have only 3 or 4 lessons to complete. Let's take a look at what this looks like. Again, we're on the class link, the Big Red portal. We're going to click on Typing Club. You're going to start the Jungle Junior. Now, if I just click on lesson number 4, you're going to notice that it's locked. What that means is we need to click on lesson 1 to begin. And most of our lessons, like these ones here, 1, 2, and 3, are videos, and they're very fun. They're usually only about 1 minute or 30 seconds apiece. So let me give you a very quick overview of what this looks like. You will click into the first one to begin. It will play the video.
Welcome to Jungle Junior.
Anytime you are inside a video and need to get into the menu, you're going to click the 3 lines, and it will bring you back. For all of our lessons that the students complete, where it says to type the letter A, they will have to put their hand on the keyboard to type the letter A. They will not be able to use the trackpad. They must type with the keyboard. Let's see what this looks like.
The letter A is a blue key. Mike the monkey is pointing to the letter A. Use your left pinky to tap the letter A.
The student must physically touch the keyboard and touch the letter A. As you see here, Monkey Mike is sitting on the letter A, showing the student where. You're going to follow the blue line and you're going to type the letters that you see, your child. When you get to the end, it will say good job. Green is go.
Redo this lesson.
Redo the lesson.
Go home.
If you have questions about Typing Club, you can contact your
Go
teacher.
home.
Remember, the home button will allow you to see where you have left off and what needs to be completed next. And your name will be shown right here, your child's name. Typing Club Jungle Junior is a great way to learn letters and to hear some awesome songs about those letters. Have fun, friends.